currently sat on a gate in the middle of a field. It's not the most conventional shooting location. I'm liking it. So today is awesome for two reasons. One, because yesterday I met John Green of the Vlogbrothers. And two, because this morning I booked my holiday to Wizarding World in Orlando. This week is craft week. I don't have much skill in the craft department, but I have had kind of an awesome idea, so I'm gonna go home and share that with you now. In the meantime, I'm off to pick some blackberries and I will see you next week.